So we are actually here, if you notice, Harbor Freight, for something that I think will help you all. All right, there we go. So we did find it, and this is going to do a lot for me. So as you can see, I don't know if you know what this looks like. First off, this is grip tape gum, but in an industrial size. I mean, look at this. Okay, and this is $8. Usually you get like, I think this much. This is gonna do a lot for grip tape cleaning. I've seen them all the time. This is one that I'm hoping to share with you guys, that if you ever go to like Harbor Freight or any place that has sanding belt cleaner, if you understand what's sanding belt, pretty much grip tape. So I'm gonna go purchase this, we'll go try it out. So we're back at the spot. I got the sanding belt cleaner piece. I'm going to snap this open, show you a little example. This is my replacement deck. Look at the mud on this side, look at some of the patches on here. So I'm gonna do my best focus on this, and I'm hoping that the wind is not too crazy because it is starting to pick up. And there we go, look at this. So the darker spots did not come out. I have no idea what that is. But as you can see, the muddy spots that were here are all gone. And this is the power of the grip gum alternative. And like I said, look how much I have left. So that's why I'm hoping this helped anybody out there who's looking for an alternative to grip gum. A lot of people have been asking. I've seen so many questions. A lot of people just say use a brush, use acetone, use Windex. In this case, this is the safest possible way, and you get way more than you need. Because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut off like a couple blocks of it, or a few blocks, and then keep them in my skate backpack. So it's gonna be awesome. Always have some grip gum on hand. In this case, plentiful. Thank you for watching. This was Mick.